There have been concerns by firms like Jenner International, that is Covidex, and others that were directed by the president to do clinical trials, but there's nothing to be seen right now. What is really going on?
We worked in the record time, sat on 23rd with the secretariat, sent our response, the feedback to the lead investigator, and we have not heard from them. So there is no way they can say they are being delayed to undertake clinical trials because National Drug Authority has not approved. We can't approve what we don't have. There is a lot of money. They are going there are issues of insurance. People need to be insured. Those who are going to be, who are going to undergo such a study. But also, you need research assistants. People who are going to be monitoring the entire process from the start to the end. So that's the concern of resources. But we know that the president, through the Ministry of Science and Technology, committed to finance that. So the question now, is it the finance, or is it the site? Is it the patients to be studied on? Those are the questions that can be answered by the investigators or the innovator or manufacturer.
So what is the procedure for doing a clinical trial for like a drug like Covidex?
We have layers of approval. So you, as the investigator, the chief investigator, you develop the protocols. Protocols mention where the clinical trial is going to be conducted, who is the investigator, the lead investigator, who are going to be your research assistants, how long is it going to take, and what are you targeting, and how will the participants, be treated, the nitty-gritties. So those form the protocols. Now those protocols must be submitted to the Joint Review Committee. They will review your application, and if there are issues, they revert to you. Then after you've given the satisfactory feedback, you put in an official application, which goes to the Ethics Committee. And when the Ethics Committee is satisfied, an application is sent to National Drug Authority. And as National Drug Authority, we will definitely approve, and that means you're going to pay some money to allow you to make that a study. So after you've made the payment, then you are given you are allowed to go on. But we don't stop there. As National Drug Authority, we monitor the site. We continue following up to make sure that that we continue monitoring every step of the study as it goes on.
Even when these products have been approved by National Drug Authority as supportive treatment, they still have to undergo clinical trials by National Drug Authority to ascertain their creative claims. Raymond Tamale, NTV Tonight.